Dealing with a diesel exhaust system can be a dirty, frustrating job, especially when you are staring at a P2217 code which tells you that your NOx sensor in bank 2 is having intermittent circuit issues. These sensors are the watchdogs of your exhaust, constantly measuring nitrogen oxide levels to make sure your vehicle is not pumping out too much pollution and staying compliant with those strict emission laws. The big problem is that the exhaust environment is a nightmare for electronics. It is full of extreme heat and thick, black soot that loves to cake onto everything it touches. When that soot builds up on the sensor tip, the EECM, or engine control module, starts getting erratic readings that jump all over the place. And that is when it triggers this intermittent fault code. You might notice your fuel economy is all over the map, or maybe the engine is idling weirdly and blowing more smoke than usual. Since this code mentions bank 2, you need to check your service manual to find exactly which side of the exhaust that is for your specific engine layout, as it usually refers to the side of the engine that does not have the number 1 cylinder. My best advice for this one is to start with a very close visual inspection of the wiring harness, because these wires are often routed right next to hot exhaust pipes, where they can melt or get snagged by road debris. If the wiring looks okay, you might want to try cleaning the sensor, but be warned that these things love to get seized into their threaded holes. If you have to use a torch to loosen it up, aim the heat at the exhaust pipe bung and not the sensor itself, otherwise, you will definitely be buying a new one. This code is often more of a mechanical or maintenance issue than a computer failure, so do not go replacing your EECM right away. Just remember to let everything cool down completely before you start poking around down there, because exhaust burns are no joke, and that metal stays hot much longer than you would think.